All right. So we'll start our class with what?
Riddles.
Yes, with riddles. And here comes the first riddle for Manvi. See how it is scratching his head. Yeah?
He's confused.
Yes, he's confused. But Manvi is not confused. Yes?
No, wow.
Yeah. All right. So guess the cartoon. This is very popular
Mouse.
cartoon. It's a cartoon name.
Oh.
Try to join them together. Last one is okay. M-I. What is the middle picture?
Ski.
Yeah. So join them together.
It's not.
M-I will
It's not.
join.
It's not joining.
Try to join. M-I will join with key. What it will become? Which word? Create the word.
MIC.
Speak. Speak. Speak them together. Speak. Me.
Me.
And second object is key.
Key.
Just
Meek.
say it's not k. It's key.
Key. Meek.
Then what it will become? Me?
Meek.
No, this is key. Me plus key. What it will become? Me and key. Just join them. Just say them together. Me. You,
Mickey.
yes. And the end one is?
Mouse.
So the full name is?
Mickey Mouse.
Very good. It's Mickey Mouse. All right. What is at the end of a rainbow? You have seen rainbow?
Treasure.
No, the answer is in the riddle itself. Okay?
What
Y-
is at the end of
End of
a
a rainbow. See the word rainbow. Okay? So I'm giving you the hint. Answer is in rainbow word itself. What is at the end of a rainbow? Can you see the word rainbow on your screen?
yes, ma'am.
So what is at the end of a rainbow?
Bow.
O is not there at the end.
W. Bow.
Yes, very good, very good. The letter W. Okay,
We can spell it in two letters.
80. See, 80 is a number. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
80 is a number. How you will write it? 80. 80 is 80. Now you have to spell 80 in two letters. Which two letters you will pick from alphabet so that it will make 80
Eight.
in math? Yes,
Eight
A.
and T.
Very good, Manvi. Clap for yourself. Very well done. Good job. So 80. When we will speak them together, it will look like 80.
80.
Yes, the number in mathematics. All right.
What
What has words but never speaks? You can read it on your own also.
what has words but never speaks?
So many words will be there, but it never speaks. What it could be?
Mm,
Where can you see many words? Tell me.
many words.
Yeah, think.
In spellings,
It is a thing where you can see many words.
umbrella.
No, words. Where you can
A
see
B
so
C
many.
D.
Yeah, A, B, C, D are letters. Okay. Letters will make words. Words will make sentences. But where you can see them, in which this is something where you can, okay, you can read them.
Books.
Yes. So what has words but never speaks? Book has
books,
words, but
but
it
never
never
seats.
speaks. Yes. Okay, now
You
next.
can't come in or go out without me. What am I?
Yes. You cannot come.
Door, door.
Very good, Manvi. Good job. All right. Now open code.org. Did you open it?
No, ma'am.
You remember your section code? When you will start typing TM, it will come in the drop down. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I can see in the 7 last days.
What? TMD KCD is our section code.
Ma'am, I can't open it.
Okay, open any browser. Just type code.org, then press enter.
Okay, ma'am.
CODE code
C
O,
D E
yes,
O R
then
G.
then dot. Dot will come in
Okay,
between
ma'am.
code.org, then press enter.
Okay. Ma'am, there's no enter.
No, or from keyboard or keypad, just
Okay,
press
ma'am.
enter key.
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
Yeah, it is coming, loading.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will see
Sign
and
in.
sign in, no sign in. Enter your,
6 letter code.
yes, yes. Just write TMD,
Okay, ma'am. T
T for toy,
M
M for
T
mother,
T
D
M.
for dog.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
T M D
K for kite,
K
C for cat,
C
D for dog.
D for dog.
Then click go, orange button.
Yes.
Then tap your name. You remember a secret picture?
Yes, ma'am. The penguin.
Yes. So tap on it and then click sign in.
Now I have to click on which number?
Lesson name third, programming with Angry Birds. Tap first level, one number. So our new character is,
Angry Bird
yeah,
and the pig.
yes. So what we need to do in this lesson plan, we will be helping our angry bird to catch this silly pig. Okay?
I already know the answer.
Okay. So read instructions for first one.
Play with these blocks and try to get me to the pig, the bad pig.
Yes. So
I know. Take repeat block and repeat west
repeat west. How many times?
3 times.
Very good. So do it on your screen.
The angry bird caught the pig.
Caught the pig. So it is very happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now the
Second one.
now we have to repeat south.
Repeat south. And how many times we'll be repeating it?
I think 3 times.
And then run.
Run.
Yeah.
The
Okay. Now
10 are the bombs.
TNT, we,
Are the bombs.
yeah, these are explosives and we have to hit them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we will not touch them. We will not hit them.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right. Now read instructions for third one.
Harry Piggy Piggy.
Here.
Here, Piggy Piggy. What can you add to the end of this code to get the bird to the pig?
So three
Repeat
blocks. Yes.
first, repeat south 3 times, then add
Yes.
west.
Very good. So they have provided us three south blocks, but what is our goal? Our
We
goal is to save blocks.
save them
Yes.
blocks.
So, and you are doing with me, yes, on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Then
great.
add west.
Yes, I read it. Now click on run. 3 south and 1 west.
It got the pig.
Yes, it got the pig. All right. Now fourth one.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
blocks are already coming arranged on my screen.
Yeah. In that particular level, they have provided you with south block. But in
No,
fourth one, nothing is coming for you, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am. North and east are coming.
So that means you have done this level before. Is it so?
No, ma'am.
Then how it's coming for you? Fourth one, what is coming for you on your workspace?
One north block and one north and one east. Not the second east.
Okay. Are you sure you haven't done it before?
No, ma'am, I have not.
I'm surprised why it's coming because it will come if we have already done, if we have done the code and it will run it even once. So next time whenever we will open that level, it will show up. The code will show up. Anyways, let's start. So what we need to do here?
We can do one north
Yes.
and repeat the east. We can use two east blocks.
Okay. Now let me explain you one thing. See, either you use two east, okay, or
But we
you
can repeat it two times.
yeah. So will this make any difference?
No,
Are we saving any blocks here?
no, ma'am.
Yeah. So it's up to you. Okay. You can use any way whenever we have to repeat one block two times. So repeat block will not help us in saving any block. So either you can use 2 east, then only total number of blocks we are using 4. Even you use repeat block, it's one and the same thing. Okay? So
Okay.
that's your choice. You can do anyway.
Run.
Yeah, run. North and 2 east.
The angry bird got the pig.
Pig. Yes. Now fifth one. Solve this level and get the bird to the pig. For
Now
this
the
level,
fifth one is not coming.
okay, great. So what we will do? Which block we'll drag first?
We'll use repeat block
Yes,
and we'll repeat each block
yes. And how many times?
three times.
And in the end, which block will land?
South.
How many south?
One south block.
Very good. So using repeat block, see, we have saved one block. Okay, now see the workspace and tell me how many maximum we can use here?
Four
No, how many we can use
blocks.
maximum?
Five.
5. And how many we are using?
Four.
Yes, very good. So run it. Again, it got the ping. Okay. All right. So challenge puzzle and Manu is ready for any challenge. Yes. So
Yes,
click
ma'am.
on I'm ready. Okay.
This is the challenge.
Yes. So avoid the TNT because they are explosives and get the bird to the pig.
Pig.
Yeah. So tell me the first block we'll be using.
North.
Okay. And then
Three east.
3 east. And
We can
last
use
one.
the repeat block.
Yes. And in the end,
Again south.
very good. So we have saved how many blocks in this level?
One block.
Very good. So click on run. 1 north, then it will go 3 east, then 1 down with 1 south block.
I completed the
You completed
challenge.
the challenge. Yay! All right.
Continue.
Time for a shorter puzzle, very shorter. Move one way, then another to get the bird to the pig. Only 2 blocks are required. So which,
Then
yeah, E N S.
S.
Okay. So many TNTs are there. Click on continue.
And it is mostly with thorns and TNTs.
Yes. Okay, now in eighth one, get that pig. So count the blocks and see how many will
We
come.
can repeat 4 blocks. We can repeat
Repeat. Yes, 4 blocks and direction will be.
east.
Now see, using repeat block, we have saved 2 blocks. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the most important block in our code.org or in any programming. This is a concept of loop. Why we will call it a loop? Because instead of repeating same block 4 times, what we did, we just replace them with repeat block.
Block.
Yeah. So okay, now see the ninth one. All right. So now we will solve this puzzle using 4 ways. First, okay, first you tell me how you will solve this puzzle.
This puzzle.
Yes, ninth one.
You told the 2 ways. We
Two.
can go in sleeping. First,
Yes.
you can repeat 5 times east, and then
5 times each. Just count the blocks.
yeah, 5 times east.
No, 5 times you will just cross this limit from where it will take north. See, count the T and T's. It will help you in counting the number of blocks required.
One,
Okay, let me show you. If
two,
we will take, just try taking 5 times. Try to move Angry Bird
four
with,
blocks
yes, 4. So 4 times it will go east.
east.
And then,
We can use the repeat block,
yeah, I'm using. And then
and then after that, we can do 4 north blocks.
4 north. Okay,
We can
great.
again use the repeat block.
Okay. So now tell me any other way. This is the first way.
Yes,
First we will run.
I
Yeah.
have 3 ways.
Okay. First run it on your screen using this way. And then don't remove it. Just keep it aside on your workspace. Okay.
Okay.
Click on replay.
Yes.
And
Now we have one more way.
yeah. And don't remove the your code. Okay. Keep it aside on your workspace. Yeah. Tell me the second way.
Second way is you can go like zigzag.
Okay. And what we will call it? You know, we will call it step pattern. It's
Step
like a
back.
staircase.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me show you. 1 second. Come on my screen. Just see my board one.
Yes, ma'am. I can see your board.
Okay. So what we will do, whenever Manvi, we are able to create a step pattern here, that time we can save maximum number of blocks. Okay. So what it can do, it can go like this. Okay.
Okay.
Another thing is first east, then north. It can even
East,
go
north,
like
east,
this.
northeast.
Yes. And this one we have done 4 east and 4 north. And the
Yes, ma'am.
last one will be 4 north and 4 east. So we will be solving this puzzle using all 4 ways. Okay. Now do
Okay,
it on
ma'am.
your screen.
Ma'am, this is the same pattern.
This is the, see, the first one. This will be, see, this is L. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the first number and second number. These way. These are inverted L. What we will call them? Inverted L.
Inverted L.
So this is also a pattern. 1 and 2 are inverted L pattern. Okay. And the third and fourth one. This will be your step pattern. Okay. Whenever these patterns are there, step pattern will save more number of blocks than other pattern. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done it the way. Uh,
Which number?
I have done this one only number one, like
Yes.
the number one.
Okay. Now tell me the step pattern one.
The step pattern will go north,
North,
east,
east.
north, east, northeast.
Yeah. So how we will write it here?
We'll repeat north. We'll go with one north, one east.
One north, one east, and this will come,
One north, one east.
yeah, inside the loop or outside.
It will come inside the loop.
Okay, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, and how many times we'll be repeating it? Let's check with four first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One north, then east. One time, second
Both.
time, third time, and fourth time. Now see how many blocks we are using now. One, two, three, four. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And previously we were using 5 blocks. So when
Yes,
we were
ma'am.
using inverted L pattern, we were using 5 blocks, but with step pattern, we saved one more block. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So for our understanding, we'll be solving in all 4 ways. Now do it on your screen, all 4 ways.
I have done it.
You have done it? Okay, let me do it here. Now first east, then north, and same number of time. It will go east, north, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Oh.
And okay. Now click on continue. Okay.
Bonus level.
Bonus level. Click on first one.
First.
Now read instructions.
Debug.
Debug.
Debug this level. Remove the extra blocks and add the missing blocks. Get the bird to the pig.
Okay. Now tell me, what is a bug?
Bug is the small animal.
Bug is a, yeah, bug is anything which, it could be anything which troubles you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in programming language, bug means an error in your program. Okay. If you have written your code and it's not working fine, that means you made some mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
So in coding terms, we will call it a bug. So now
Bug.
they are saying debug this level. Debugging means find the bug and fix it. So we will be finding the bug in the code and then we will fix it. Means we will correct the error. So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is debugging. So two terms we have learned now. One is bug. Bug means an error in your program. And to correct it, to rectify the error, what we will do? We will be debugging. And what is debugging, Manvi? Find the bug and then fix it. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see the step button. Can you see just next to run button, step button is there? Just below the play area, run button is there and step button is there. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So step button we will be using for debugging. How come? Step button will execute your code line by line. So how it will go? See, I am clicking on step. So it will just check your first line of code. See, I am clicking on step. So
Sir,
with
the pattern is south, south, south.
Yeah, that is okay. First, listen to me. Manvi, what is the first block they have provided you after when run?
The east block.
Okay. So now I am clicking on step button. Why I am clicking? Because some bug is there. For debugging, we will go step by step. Okay. So line by line, we will see. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
First, first east should come here in the cone. First east block is required. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
East. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it will go
No,
east?
ma'am, not
Yes.
the east.
So first remove east from here. Okay, and put it into the bin. Now we will see second one. Now south is there. Two south are there. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then two east are there. Just check
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Only two east are required, or do we need to add one extra east there? Okay, let's go step by step again.
We need three east.
Yes. So
We can use
two
the
step.
repeat block.
Yes. So first we will keep it aside, and then we can make use. Okay, repeat block is not given. They have not provided in this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just add three east block here, and then they said go to north. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you did here, you you got the bug there in the cone. You removed it. You fixed the bug. So what you did, you debugged this level. Okay. We had debugged this
Debug.
level. Yeah. So we removed the extra block and we added the missing block there. Now let's reset and run the code. It will go to south, then it will go 3 east, and then 2 north.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is correct now. Okay, now click on continue.
Run. First,
Yeah,
run it.
first run it and then move to the next bonus level.
Second bone.
Yes, second one. And read instructions for this level. Trace,
Black.
trace,
Trace the pattern.
path.
The tr-
Trace the path
trace the path. Trace the path to
to,
lead the bird to the pig.
yes,
Avoid TNT or
feathers
feathers
will
will
fly.
fly.
So if Angry Bird will hit the TNT, its feathers will fly. So that's why they are saying just avoid TNT. Trace the path means see the path here and then help the bird to get the pig. Now pig is in down direction and Angry Bird at the top. So which first block we will be using here?
Three wests.
3 west. Again, repeat block is not there. We can't make use of it. So we will be bringing 3 west. And then
Then two souths.
2 south will come. Then
Two two east again.
2 east will come. And in the end,
One north.
north.
Then enough.
No, north will not come.
South.
Yes,
South.
1 south will come.
And then done.
And then run. 3 west it will go. It will come down using 2 south block, then 2 east and 1
North.
south.
South.
Yes. Now click on finish
Finish.
and click on go on to lesson 4. Okay. So one video is there and we will watch it together. Okay.
Ma'am.
All right. So I'm playing the video.
Rey needs BB-8's help. In these puzzles, you will program BB-8 using the arrow blocks from the toolbox. BB-8 needs to pick up each piece of scrap metal to finish the puzzle. First, work to find a path for BB-8 that covers all the pieces of scrap metal. Then write the program in your workspace to move BB-8 on that path. You don't need a special command to pick up scrap metal. BB-8 will collect it just by moving over the top. Now let's get rolling.
Alright. So click on continue.
Continue.
Yeah. Okay. So now our new character is BB-8 and Rey. So it's like BB-8 is assistant of Rey. Okay?
Ma'am, now
Yes.
on the blocks it is written move.
Yes. So in every puzzle you will get some changes. Okay? Characters will be different. Blocks will be different. Okay? Instructions will be different. So Ray will not do anything on it on her own. What she'll do, she will give instructions to BB-8. And what they need to do, BB-8 has to collect these scraps. And how it will collect it, BB-8 will just step on scrap and automatically it can collect it. Okay?
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
so first read instructions for second one.
Go get the scrap metal BB-8. Watch out for walls and cracks.
Great.
Scrap, scrap
Wa- Scrap
metal looks like this.
this. So just avoid balls and some obstacle will come in upcoming puzzles. We will call them crates. They are not there in this level. Okay. This is scrap metal which is shining. Can you see it in the play area? It is shining.
Yes, ma'am.
So this robot, its name is BB-8. Ray is instructing BB-8 to get the scrap metal. Okay.
Where is
So
the scrap metal? The
use the
ball.
yeah, it's yeah. This is a scrap metal. See, it is shining.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All
It
right.
is easy. It can go three wests.
Three west.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it will not go three west. BB-8 will move, not scrap. Scrap is something which is it's a kind of waste.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
don't need
It will go three east.
it. So repeat block is there. Make use of it and move east three times and run it on your screen.
I have
All
done it. I'm on the second level.
okay. Click on continue. And the third one is get all the metal. So how we will solve this one?
Ma'am, I know to solve it.
Yeah. Tell me.
First, you'll use the repeat block and repeat two times east.
Repeat three times
No, ma'am,
east.
two times.
Okay. Repeat two times east. Okay.
Then,
First do it on your screen, Manvi. Then tell me how many blocks you have used. Okay.
hmm,
Yeah. Solve it on your screen.
ma'am, I got one metal.
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me how many blocks you have used?
I have used 2 times east.
Okay. Whenever I will ask how many blocks you have used, just see the workspace, then tell me the first number. Okay?
The first number is the
In the
first number is 5.
5. Okay. Now tell me your code, how you have done.
I have repeated 2 times east, two
Repeat
times south, and 2 times east.
in same loop.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, east will come 2 times. Then
Yes, south.
2 times south. And you repeat it twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's check. All right. Very good. So, but it's showing me you have used 6 blocks.
No, ma'am.
Can you present your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I have used 6 blocks.
6 blocks you have used. So, can we save any block here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's
Yes,
say,
we saved
how come?
by using the repeat block.
But 6, the maximum limit is 6, and we are using 6 only.
So we have not saved.
So, can we save? Let's try. There are, just to solve any puzzle, there are different ways to solve. Okay, different path will be there, different pattern will be there. We need to find that path using which we can save maximum number of blocks. Okay, now let's try other way also. Whenever now onwards, till now simple path was there. Okay, now onwards you can see, you will be seeing different paths available. We will be trying different paths. Okay, just to make sure that we are saving any block or not. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so now let's see if we can move like this. Let's say 3 times we will go first east.
Okay, ma'am. So we can use the repeat block.
Yeah, 3 times east,
East.
and then 2 times we'll come down using south.
Okay, ma'am. We can attack. We can use south with another repeat block,
Yes, either you can add 2 south block,
or
or you,
you can
yes,
repeat.
yes. So now run it. Now see, we have saved 1 block. Yes. Now see the
Yes, ma'am.
workspace. 5 blocks we are using, and previously code was correct. Previous code was also correct, but we have to make it more efficient. We have to find more efficient way. Means the path which
We
will,
can attach more parts in it.
how, we cannot save any other block here now. Okay, but I'm just trying to say, in every puzzle we will see all options available. Okay, just to make sure that we have to save maximum number of blocks. Okay, all right, now
Yes, ma'am.
let's move to the next one. Fourth one. Okay, keep going BB-8, and I will
We
say,
have to get all of these BB-8.
yes. So I will say, Manvi, keep going and and help BB-8 in collecting all 3 scrap metals. So
Okay.
start solving.
So
And
first we will go one east. This is so easy.
This one is easy.
It just goes east, south, east, south.
Yes. So first it will go to east.
I have used 7 blocks.
Yes, we will be using 7 only in this one. To east. Then it will go to south and then to
Two.
west.
Now the next.
Yeah, run it. All right. So fifth one. Get it BB-8. Now first see and tell me which, can you create any pattern here?
Yes, ma'am.
So which pattern you can see here?
I can see zigzag, zigzag.
And the name of that
Then down.
pattern is, we will say step
Step
pattern.
pattern.
Yes. So do it on your screen and tell me how we will solve it.
Ma'am, I ran it on my screen.
Okay. And how many blocks you have used?
I have used 7 blocks.
7 blocks.
Yes, ma'am.
Present your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Start.
Click on that arrow just next to raise hand icon.
Okay, ma'am.
Just next to it, one arrow will be there.
Yes, ma'am. I can
Yeah. So from there you can
share
see the, yeah.
screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Just open that page, code.org.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Your path is okay. Your code is okay. Now see which blocks are getting repeated here.
Ma'am, I repeated the one south block.
That is okay. See the pattern. Try to create the pattern. See which blocks
Step
are getting repeated.
pattern.
That is okay. Now see, you are using E, then S. Okay? Then E, then S. Again E and S. So which, see the specific number of blocks which are getting repeated. Which blocks are coming again and again?
Ma'am, the east blocks. We can repeat them
How you will repeat it?
by the repeat block.
Okay, you do it. Let me see.
East. We can't repeat it.
We can repeat.
Yeah.
Not getting?
No, ma'am.
That's okay. Come on, okay, let me share my screen. I'll show it here. Stop presenting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how we are going, bless you. First move east, then south. This is okay. Then next one is east and
South.
south. Then east and south. Now see, I'm unhooking them. See, these are getting repeated.
Yes, ma'am.
South, east, south, east, south. So we will remove this part and this set. These two blocks we will be repeating how many times?
We'll be repeating them 3 times.
3 times. Got it now?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
see, we have saved total 3 blocks here.
We'll repeat east and south block.
Yes, that's the pattern. Okay? All right. Now run it on your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
1 time, 2 time, and 3 times. You can try by drawing on a paper also. Let me show you here. 1 second. It will be more easy. See, there and okay. Now see, east, south. So whenever we will draw like this, we can see which blocks we can repeat. See this one. This is first. This is second, and this is third. So it will go first east, then south. So these two blocks we can repeat. If we will repeat it 3 times, we can save 3 blocks here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, did you run?
Continue.
Yeah, continue.
Can you get it all?
Okay, so let's
I
stop it.
already know the key. I already know it.
How come?
One south will repeat 2 times east, then one south, then east, then south.
Okay. So we can still save block, but we will see it in the next class. Okay?
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will take time. So it's quizzes time. Just sign out.
Okay,
Sign
ma'am.
out here. Yeah. And I'm sharing quizzes link with you.
Ma'am, in the chat box.
Yeah, I'm sharing it in the chat box.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, so the link is there in the chat box. You are using Aryaveer's name? That's okay. All right, so I'm starting the quiz. All the best, Manvi. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, good job. Only one was incorrect. Let's review questions. Congratulations, Aryaveer. You are the winner today. All right. So, which code will get Angry Bird jumping on the pig? You have correctly answered 3 west. And let's say if repeat block was there, then will you be able to save any block using that repeat block?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One lock.
yes. And what we will call it? Whenever we will be using repeat block, that means we are creating a loop in our code. What we are creating?
A loop.
Loop. And why we will create it? To save blocks,
Block.
to avoid repetition. Yes. So instead of repeating same number of block again and again, we can replace it with repeat block. Okay. All right. Yeah. That thing we have done in next puzzle. We make use of repeat block, and see now we are just using 3 blocks. And in the previous one we were using 4 blocks. Okay. All right. Choose the correct code. 3 times it will go south to
South.
catch the silly pig.
Pig.
The area where we run our code is our
Play
play
area.
area. Very good. You remember it. Which block is the first block in every puzzle?
When run.
When run. Yes. And will our code work if we will not join other blocks with when run block?
No, ma'am.
No. We need to join other blocks with when run block.
Second block.
Yes. Which block is used to create a loop? Repeat block we will be using to create a loop.
Loop.
This block will repeat specific number of blocks inside
Three
3
times.
times. Yes. So whatever will be there inside, that gets repeated 3 times.
3 times.
Name this section. This is
Work.
instruction. And which one is workspace?
Where we work.
Yeah, where we work. We drag blocks from where?
From the toolbox.
Yes. So toolbox is the area from where we get all the blocks to solve our puzzle. That is the middle section between play area and your workspace. And just above your workspace is your instruction section.
Section.
We read the instructions and do it accordingly. Okay. All right. Very good. You've done very well. And another thing is, let's have, did we play that color activity in last class?
No, ma'am.
Shall we play?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me share my screen. 1 second. Okay. All right. Now see. You have to say the color of each word. You will not read the word. Okay? I will say first line for you. Okay? So
Okay.
we will say just the color. See, the color of black.
Red.
Yes. So we will say red, black, green, blue, orange, red. Okay? So you will say last 3 lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Start.
Green, red, blue, yellow, black, black. Blue, red, blue, yellow, red, black, green, red. Black, blue, green, blue, yellow, green.
In last one, in yellow one, you did mistake. That's okay. You did very well. Very good, Manvi. Not bad. Okay. All right. So you enjoyed the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's all for today. And I will meet you next Wednesday, same time. Till then, take care, enjoy your time, and bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.